What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Pursuit of Destiny Podcast. It's your boy Rickey Jones Jr. and I am so excited to be with you all here today for yet another talk, okay? And this one, of course, coming off the heel of yesterday's affirmation titled, I enjoy life. And more than anything, what we do on Tuesdays is dive deeper into our affirmations on a personal level and how we as individuals can build our lives up, how we can grow as individuals through the affirmations that we do on Monday. So again, with it talking about enjoying life, obviously we're going to be talking about how we can enjoy life daily, okay? And before we get into it, please subscribe to the channel if you are new to it, or if you are listening to it on various podcasts, please go ahead and click that follow button. All of those good things, give us a 5-star rating. Whatever it is you do to support small businesses and things like that, we would muchly and greatly appreciate it, okay? And then tell a friend to do the same, because we're trying to grow this year. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. But nonetheless, hey, we're talking about enjoying life, and I want to hit you with this haymaker on the forefront of this podcast episode, which is you determine the life you'll live. I said it, and I'll say it again. You determine the life you'll live. It's not up to your parents. It's not up to your family members. It's not up to your friends. It's not up to your spouse. It's not up to your kids. No, it's up to you. You are the determining factor to the life that you will live. So, with all that being said, the question is, how are you going to live life? What type of life do you want to live? What type of days do you want to have? Because you have the total determination of that. Now, yes, we do live in a world where we interact with individuals and things like that. We come in contact with people in various ways. However, at the end of the day, you make the determining factor. I wake up each and every day excited. More than anything, I'm excited because I have the opportunity to live out another day. Even in the affirmation, we talked about how we celebrate things in life so that we can enjoy life. And if you're sifting through your day, you're sifting through your past, you're sifting through your life, and you're trying to figure out what can you celebrate, well, simply the fact that you have another day of life is worth celebrating, because not everybody does. People, don't make it to see the next day. People transition and things like that each and every day. However, if you get the opportunity to live out another day, that's a reason for celebration. Okay, so we can even take the time right now. I'm gonna celebrate you as I'm celebrating right now the very fact that we have another day, another opportunity to live life, another reason and a way to do out and live out another day. Okay, point of celebration. Okay, the second point of celebration in this fact is that you're here, and I believe you're here because 1, you want to grow, 2, you want to improve, and 3, you're seeking out ways to do so. Okay, so with all those things being said, with that, you have the right mindset. Okay, that's the second part I want to dive into. With the right mindset, you can accomplish anything. Okay, we know, and my wife and I believe that all things are possible to them that can believe. Okay, and so if you can believe that you can do a thing, you can do a thing. If you believe you have the ability to do a thing, you will find a way. The right way will find you to go about doing that thing. Okay, we talked about it in other podcasts, the idea of the I can mindset. With that mindset, having a I can attitude about life will bring ways and opportunities for you to accomplish the various things that you want to do. If it is, I want to start a business, have the belief that I can be a business owner. I can market my product. I can market my service. I can market my good, and people will take part in it. Okay, and with that mindset, you'll find ways will find you of how to go about doing so. People will come into your life that will support you, surround you, and encourage you and uplift you so that you can do the various endeavors that you want to do. If it's finding a spouse, having the I can mindset, I can be married, I will be married, I believe I can be married, and marriage will come your way. And until then, you'll be able to be equipped, you'll be able to be built up, you'll be able to be surrounded by a great community, and you'll be prepared for when that day does come. We'll all be together being able to celebrate the very fact of your belief actually coming to pass. Okay, so enjoy life. I did a reel on Instagram the other day and just talked about the various ways that I enjoy life. So let me throw that in here. The message of today, ladies and gentlemen, is have fun, okay? Don't worry about what people are saying about you when you have your moments of fun. Just live life, right? I'm going to show you some examples of things that I do to have fun in my day. There may be times where I'm like, I make sounds, y'all. Or I might dance. But whatever it is that you do to have fun, do just that. Don't live life so seriously. Have fun. So obviously, right, I have fun. I have fun, and I don't care who sees it. I don't care who is around, but have fun. Do what you do. It may be listening to certain music. It may be making certain sounds. It may be doing different dances. Whatever it is that you do to find ways to enjoy life, to have fun. And sometimes you just have to have fun with yourself or make fun of yourself and allow for yourself to laugh at yourself and realize, hey, it's not that big of a deal. All is well. I can get through whatever I'm going through. I can do whatever it is that I want to do. And life is just not that serious, okay? I heard it being said like, why so serious? It's in a famous movie. I love that line. Why so serious? And it just allows you to step back and just reflect on the fact that, man, whatever it is that I'm frustrated about, concerned about, stressed about, worried about, it's not that serious. Let me think about something else. Let me laugh about something. Let me think about something that excites me, that invigorates me to do more. Let me do those things and enjoy life, celebrate. And largely because, right? So here's point number 3. When you enjoy life, you will come into contact with others, and because of your excitement, it will be infectious to them and they'll be excited. Okay, I'm not just saying this because it sounds good. I'm saying this because it's true. Personally, to me, I'm an exciting person. I love life to the fullest. I'm always, joyful and always is a strong word. I'm usually joyful and things like that. And because I am, when I come into contact with others, they're like, oh man, like what's going on with you? Like, why are you so excited? Or I love your energy is usually what is said around me. I love your energy. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, because I enjoy life. Okay. It may not be that everything is lined up, which no, it's not. I don't have everything that I want. I'm not able to do everything that I want to do, but I do find enjoyment in the things that I'm able to do, enjoyment with the things that I have, and enjoyment with the life that I live, knowing that greater things are to come. I'm optimistic, okay? I see the glass not half empty, but half full, right? I see it on the other end, the optimistic side of things. So, nonetheless, with that being said, be the infectious enjoyment person that you want for others to be. When you are what you're asking others to be, they'll be what you need for them to be, because you are that reflection of what others will be. Now, I can't say that all again because that just came right then. However, rewind it, play it back if necessary. But enjoy life. Enjoy life. Make it your thought. Make it your decree. Make it your mindset that every day I am going to enjoy life. Life is a span of time from birth until you transition. However, in that gap, in that period, on the tombstones, there's a date of birth and there's a date of exit. But in between, there's that dash. With that dash, you have the ability to do what it is that you want to do. Perfect or create the life that you want to actually have. And I say it this way: don't look at life in the big picture of what it can be or what you want it to be, but look at life day by day. What are you doing this day to make your life better? What are you doing this day to prepare for what's to come? Even if you're not even thinking that far, what are you doing today to enjoy yourself? Did you go and eat that food that you've been wanting to eat for a while but just thought, no, I'm not gonna go? Did you Even me, right? So this is something that I've done. It's like a real practical situation. My desire is to have a Jeep Gladiator, which is a Jeep truck. And so what I have done is I've gone to various dealerships and I've driven in a Jeep Gladiator and even drove my wife in it, right? Not that could we buy it right now? Sure, but is it ideal? No, right? So that's why the sure's there. But in that, I drove it. I enjoyed it. I saw myself in it. Like I was driving it like it was mine with the dealer in the back. Well, yeah, the dealer in the back, just having fun. Wife on the right side. I was taking pictures, all that stuff. Like I am excited about it when it does come, knowing that it will come because I believe and I know that I can receive those things that I believe. But in it all, it was a moment for me to enjoy it. I also like the Dodge Ram. So Dodge Ram truck. Even in the past episode, I talked about I'm not a Ford guy. Now y'all are hearing what kind of guy I am. But with that, I went to the dealership. I drove a Ram truck. I drove it around. It felt luxurious. It was nice, big. We had plenty of space. My wife joked, she was like, this is like an old man's truck. But nonetheless, I will have one of those too. But in it all, find those things that you enjoy and go and do those things, right? I did go to the dealerships, letting them know that it's something that I want to purchase, looking to purchase. I just want to see what it drives like, see how I ride and things like that. So I was upfront with them. However, I'm saying that all to say, go do whatever it is that brings enjoyment to you. If it's good, go and do those things. Don't hold off or don't push those things back thinking that you're not able to purchase the vehicle or things like that, so you're not going to go to the dealership. No, they're okay with you driving around. They know people aren't all buyers. They do know some people are testers first. They like to try things out, test things out before they do make that big purchase. So with that being said, enjoy life. Do something today that will allow for you to enjoy the day. Okay? Simple, simple, simple. Do something today that will allow for you to enjoy today. And if you have that mindset each and every day, you'll look up and realize, man, life is fun. I don't have to be so serious all the time. I can enjoy my life. I actually do enjoy my life. I do actually have those elements that allow for me to enjoy where I am today and the life that I have today. And on the side note, one thing that I do recommend and will say, don't allow for social media to determine the life that you have. Because people have so many things on social media that will make you believe that you don't have anything. Well, that's not true. You don't know what they had to do to get the things that they have, or you don't know the pain that they have even with the things that they have. But I will say, the life that you do have right now is the life that you should have. And as you enjoy each and every day, you'll realize how great your life really is. Okay? So, hey, we ended on a soft and somber note, but nonetheless, I did want to say those things, and I do believe it is purposeful for us to hear those things, because I'm going to even replay it and go back and listen to it myself. But with that being said, I love you all. I appreciate you all for rocking with us thus far, and I'm excited for the things that are in store for us this year and the years to come. And definitely be on the lookout, because we have some interviews coming up that I'm also excited about, as well as some business things coming up on Thursday that I'm gonna drop that you want to be a part of. So until then, I love you. I thank you. Make sure you follow, subscribe, tell a friend to do the same, and we appreciate you in the midst of it. And yeah, have a great day. As we say, don't just live life, but pursue destiny daily. All right, great people. Peace.